Today I'm going to talk to you about overcoming your struggles. When I was 15 I had a bad road accident where I got run over, and on that day I suffered a severe head injury. When I find certain things takes me a bit longer to get gist of things. I've always had a passion to learn how to play the guitar, but I didn't learn in a typical way like most people do. I actually learned in maths form. Like the G major scale would be 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5. That was how I remembered it. It took me ages to learn the basics. The point of this video is if any of you have any sort of things like this have happened to you in your life, and you've got something that you're really passionate about and you really want to achieve something, just do it. When I first started playing guitar, I never in a million years thought I would ever have vocal lessons and be singing with some incredible singers that I've actually had the privilege of singing with. You can do it. There's no stopping you. Basically, you can do anything you really want to. If you've got a passion of you really wanted to do something, don't be afraid to do it, and you can do it with the right support and the right guidance. If there's anything that you've learned yourself in a different way, please let me know in the comments